These low-carb cinnamon rolls are just the thing when you're craving sweet baked treats on a keto diet. This is a recipe you don't want to miss.
He's got budget meals for families, delicious new recipes. Bring your friends over, let's make it and share. It's Nicko's kitchen where satisfying meals are prepared.
So firstly, into a large bowl, add softened cream cheese. And to that, I'm adding grated mozzarella, which helps bind everything together. Place the cheeses in the microwave for 2 minutes on high or until melted, and place into a food processor and process the mix until creamy and sticky. Next, add your eggs along with the coconut flour. Next, add your sugar substitute. I'm using stevia, but you can use whichever you prefer. And finally, add in some baking powder and xanthan gum. Process this mix until it forms a sticky dough. It will be much easier to handle if you wet your hands slightly and then shape the dough. Rolling out the dough is super simple. I just place it between 2 sheets of baking paper and flatten out with a flat baking tray. You can of course use a rolling pin if you wanted to, and you want the dough to be around 0.2 of an inch or half a centimeter thin. Cut the round edges off if there are any, and then remove the top layer of baking paper. Into a small bowl, add in the melted butter along with the cinnamon and a brown sugar substitute like Swerve or Skin Gold. Mix well and then brush the dough all over the top evenly, carefully wrapping the dough up using the baking paper, and make sure you brush the butter mixture on all sides. So when it comes time to bake, all the inside layers will caramelize and have that wonderful cinnamon flavor. Once you've rolled until the end and it's completely coated, cut the dough into equal segments. I usually get around 8. Place into a buttered cake tin, brush the tops with melted butter, and then place into the oven for 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. While it's baking, let's make the cream cheese frosting. Into the food processor, add your cream cheese, cream, and vanilla extract along with stevia or the sugar substitute of your choosing. Process the mixture until smooth and thick. Bring the rolls out of the oven and dollop the frosting over the top and serve. It's such a wonderful treat to have if you're cutting those carbs, and they taste incredible.